Hi, this is Pawan Shukla. I am a co-founder of a company called Zansphere Capital Services, and today I have got the opportunity to attend the People Style Workshop led by uh, um, Mr. Tejra Singh Anand, and second program Sales Like James Bond by Jigar Shah. And People Style Workshop, I'm a big fan of this workshop. Reason being is we come across a different set of personalities, and it's very difficult to sell like one type of pitch to this four different set of people. So and we people are a mixture of various combination to understand the people and accordingly adapt to their behavioral style. So that is the greatest thing what I have learned, and so that was one of the fantastic program led by Tejra Singh Anand. He has a great set of knowledge, and he brings diversity, experience, and since he being a trainer from last 20 years, so he has got tremendous experience about this particular topic. So I strongly recommend each and everybody who deals with sales should attend this workshop. It is mandatory. And the second training led by management consultant Jigar Shah. So he gave us a narrative of different set of sales 12 by 12 pitch and various I have attended the session before also, so it got a refresh, but the way Jigar brings his insight dealing with all top-notch guys, so you can learn about B2B sales, B2C, how to present yourself, and it was of tremendous value. So I strongly recommend his workshop, Sales Like James Bond, and people should attend and should get benefited. And by attending this, you will get the benefit of doubling your turnover. So I strongly recommend both of these guys, and thank you so much and all the best to you.